Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 Show Search Box in Taskbar. You can see that the search box is not visible in the taskbar. To correct this, right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Now, in the search line, you will see that there is the Hide option. You will click there to select Search Box. Now you will have the search available again in the taskbar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.